Today we are here at Echols Farm and I am with Chris from Windsong Properties, and I am so excited to be here today because we are actually debuting a brand new floor plan which we are standing in called the Newbury, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this floor plan, Chris.
Well, it is. It's one of my favorite. The Newbury has been designed with many structural options for home personalization. With nearly 2,000 square feet of main level living, you have 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths on the main floor. And one of our unique features is the 9-foot flat ceilings that you will feel immediately when you walk into the home. This home offers a structural option that allows for a study and powder room at the front of the home. At the center of this plan, you'll find an open but defined dining area for entertaining with your family and friends. Our homeowners can enjoy this very open kitchen that flows into the great room. Also, you have a large kitchen island and a walk-in pantry that makes it very convenient. Another wonderful structural option that we offer in the Newbury plan is a 4x4 skylight in the kitchen, which brings in plenty of natural light, flanked by multiple windows so the home is always feeling bright and light and happy. The covered side porch with private courtyard provides a perfect indoor-outdoor space that's sure to become a favorite spot to enjoy the cooler weather while relaxing or gardening or just playing with your pets. A gracious owner's suite and optional bay window on the rear of the home creates a distinctive retreat that you'll surely enjoy using. Need more space? Add a second floor bonus room or 4th bedroom with a 3rd full bath, which is a perfect guest suite.
Well, I understand that phase 1 has been a success, and now you guys are moving on to phase 2 here at Echols Farm, where this floor plan will be available. So talk to me a little bit about this next phase.
Absolutely. We're so excited to announce that phase 2 is now selling. We have 49 home sites available, which will include the Garden Series, as well as our Homestead Series. And the Newbury is part of the Homestead Series. Home sites can be built in phase 2 from the mid 300s to the upper 400s.
Well, Chris, I know that people out there are going to be so excited about this next phase, so if they want to find out more, what is the best way to do that?
Please reach out to our sales team at 678-401-2306 or reach us on the website at windsonglife.com.
Well, Chris, thank you so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for an active adult community, you'll want to check out Echols Farm in Hiram and come and check out their new floor plan, the Newbury plan, and be a part of phase 2 before it's gone.